Regarding K topography refractive surgery module was very helpful. Then rationale of acyclovir 5 times a day, that is the dose it is given. Compliance is an issue. It is an issue. You can give ganciclovir or famciclovir, which are doses, and they work equally well. So that can also be given. Two types of mast cell stabilizers preferably should not be combined. Two antibiotics can be combined. Demetrius fungi 5% atomycin is still the drug of choice. One should not start in a fungal corneal ulcer. No point starting two antibiotics. That is one question which is being asked. With steroids, chloromethylone or loteprednol, either of the two work very well. You can start any of these steroids.
Great. So that was more like
a rapid fire round.
Rapid fire, exactly.
I would like to thank OmniCuris as well as Dr. Namrata Sharma ma'am for giving me this opportunity. It was a very, 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 very fruitful roundtable conference and a very good initiative. It is a sort of new thing that has been started by OmniCuris as well as by Dr. Namrata Sharma ma'am.
It was obviously a very fantastic experience because I was sitting on the same platform with Dr. Namrata Sharma. She's one of the idols and one of the ideal, not just as a lady doctor, as a clinician, as everything for many of us. So, sharing the same platform with her, she was answering our questions on a one-to-one basis. So that was amazing.
I don't know how to start because I feel I'm extremely, privileged to have this opportunity which OmniCuris has provided me. And I think it's a great idea that OmniCuris has, given this provenance where we are just newbies of the ophthalmology. We are basically bubbling with knowledge and enthusiasm, but we are not yet yet to achieve a real success in the field of ophthalmology. So I think it's a great idea. It's a great opportunity by OmniCuris for all of us. It is, I would call it as a silver lining of this corona pandemic, which has allowed us to come closer with these amazing veteran faculties. And this way we can share and savor the ophthalmology together, which otherwise would seem almost impossible for all of us. So I think it's a great idea by OmniCuris, and I cannot thank enough to OmniCuris and Dr. Major Guruprasad sir for guiding me and gliding me through this experience, which was a great one.
That was really an excellent experience which I had, and the madam is very good and she was very informative, and she was very cool enough that we didn't get tensed at all. And the input that she has given for my case are really very, very wonderful, and that is what I'm going to follow also.
I think it's a very good initiative taken by AIS as well as OmniCuris, because I think no such platform for each and every one of us is there, such as to discuss with the expert one-to-one as this is being given by this. And I think kudos to AIS as well as OmniCuris for this thing, and it's a very good initiative. What I think. A very good initiative has been there because all different in this roundtable conference, because all the topics have been given different headings as well as such as retina has been given, cornea has been.
Positive here is there are many CMEs that we couldn't attend otherwise because of location. As in, I'm in Jammu, so it would be difficult for me to travel and attend CMEs. So this ways, I think a lot of other people also. Everybody gets to attend. So whoever wants to attend, they get to attend. So if we could, screen out and just keep some CMEs and have them there, then that's obviously it's a very good thing. And not just in current COVID environment, otherwise also, it saves on expenses, I think, for us as well as organizers. It saves on resources. So it is a very good platform.
I was initially so keyed up because, you have studied the books of her, you are emerging by learning things from her, and one day you are given the opportunity to talk in front of her. And I don't know what I should speak about her. I mean, everybody knows how kind and humble soul she is. I have seen her, she's always so enthusiastic for us, the students. In spite of, such a high achieving woman, she's always looking down to us, the students of hers, and allows us for, with these such platforms and such opportunities where we can make the better version of ours as far as ophthalmology is concerned.
Actually, AIOS and OmniCuris are very much in relation, and very much synchronizingly you have arranged this thing. And I thank AIOS for giving this credit points also for this OmniQRS online presentation, which was the first time which was present in the AIOS. And I think all this matters a lot for all the juniors, which they want this credit hours to go ahead for the 5 years renewal of their medical certification. And being at home, getting credit points is something which is really new. And you have to go to, you will go forward and you'll go to great heights.
Before the session, my thoughts were like I was really scared because I was speaking in public and with Dr. Namrata Sharma there, and I really felt after the session that some sense of accomplishment.
I would like to thank all the whole team of OmniQRS, Major Guru sir, Dr. Namrata Sharma ma'am.
Thank you OmniQRS and thank you Dr. Namrata Sharma ma'am. It was a wonderful experience, I'm sure, for all of us. Thank you.
I'm really glad to be with you all and association with OmniQRS and AIOS. And it is really a fantastic program which you have conducted for all the youngsters, I mean.
I would like to thank again to OmniQRS and all the team and request them to continue this thing. This is going to be a great experience for me, and I would like my other fellows, colleagues and students and juniors to also take the advantage of this opportunity, and they can learn better about the ophthalmology from the veterans themselves.